exciting game of football. Both managers have picked strong lineups today. No real surprises. When the home team have been announced.
Nagkayon di Pachea kay Roma. Nagkayon di Pachea kay Roma.
And the away team have gone with this lineup.
Iskara. Galia kyon na. Galia kyon.
Off we go then. Let's hope for some goals then today. That's lofted upfield. Well read. That's good link-up play. And they get it away. The defender regains possession. And now they're going to try and break. Now it's Griezmann. Long ball then. Oh, and dispossessed there. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. And he hits it. Corner kick now. Let's take another look at that wonderful save. He's trying to pick out the man in the box. Can he finish it? That's the goal kick. And their first shot of the day is off target. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Confident pass. That's nicely played. They've taken it down the wing. Cancelo. Here's Ronaldo. That's an easy call. It's a goal kick.
Iya, main.
Keeper sends it long.
Iya. Kenapa kan?
It's Ronaldo.
Oh, yan
And tackled
sorry.
well by Varane.
Bukan, Pavintor Taylor. Ada juga teman-teman, nggak tahu nih. Iya, ada.
Great ball. He's so skillful on the ball. What a well-timed tackle. Now Lukaku. Played in field. Neymar. Well-timed then. Great defending. Now Lukaku. Tries from distance. Confident goalkeeping there. Oh, well intercepted. Good distribution. Here's Varane. Oh, they needed to get that one away, and they have. We're into time added on now. And well out. Too many talking points in that opening 45 minutes. Let's have the half-time team talk. Conjures up some better play in the second period. It's the second half. Some fresh changes have been made. Fans are settled and we're underway with the second half. Finds his teammate. That's a rare football, a great challenge. He's headed the ball forward. It's back with the goalkeeper. Really well played. Intercepted. Mbappe. And he hits it. Salah, and this is a world-class finish. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. That goal has changed the shape of the game. Let's see what happens now. Good ball. Safety first, back to the goalkeeper. Cleared upfield. Oh, that's good work by the defence. Just offside. Headed on. And that's a throw-in. That was close. Not much in it there at all. possession again. Oh, he did really well there. That's good link-up play. He must score. Shoots it right back in it now. Look at that tiny finish there. Look what it means to the player. He'll be hoping to add more to his tally. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway. Cancelo. That clearance will lift the pressure. Confident pass. Well cut out. Won the ball. They've taken it down the wing. Here's Ronaldo. And here's a chance. Ronaldo. They just can't make this stuff up. They've got a last-minute winner. His teammates join him to start the celebrations. Great goal there. And it's 2 goals to 1 now. Here's Van Dijk. Well intercepted. Oh, he shoots. What a finish. He's scored a brace. The replay will give us a closer look. The players have finished celebrating and we're back underway. He's knocked it and the referee calls time on this exhibition game. I wonder what the managers learned about their squads. No doubt in my mind with that decision. This player has been outstanding and deserves being there.